Alright, so let's talk about the elephant in the room. Earning money on rideshare. 2.5 years I've been driving, 8,600, 8,300 trips on Uber, another 1,000 on Lyft. One thing is for sure, you're going to rack up a ton of miles on your car. Maintenance is a constant issue. Road hazards are a constant issue. That's if you're a good driver and don't get in an accident and get yourself killed. It's been a long time coming to this, and I thought I had the perfect fix: buy an electric vehicle, fuel costs low. I mean, it was a winning strategy. Now, the goose that produces the golden eggs is in the shop for a second time, and we've only got 115,000 miles on it. It's at a cost still owing about $30,000 left on this car to pay. This repair is going to probably be anywhere from $2,800 to $5,000, and we haven't even gotten the final word on that yet. I'm extremely depressed right now. Currently in an Uber approved rental car, which I was glad that I can get a rental car for $250 a week. Doesn't seem bad, right? But now I'm back on gasoline. $250 a week plus $30 every time I fill this tank up. $30 times 4 to 5, that's $150, $120 to $150 added to that. $375 a week. I'm earning as a full-time driver. 40 hours a week will get you about $700 in the Indianapolis market. $700 to $800, somewhere in there is my average. Sometimes I'll post, you make anywhere from $700 to $1,500. There's a couple rare months where they've got some insane bonuses when they know the Big Tens in town, the Final Fours in town, and they put some big old bonuses out there, and you hit them. Other than that, they'll put a big old bonus out there, quest bonus out there, and they'll ensure that you don't get it. You say you're going to do 30 to 40 trips. Okay, they're going to make sure you don't get that 40 trips because they're going to send you on all these. Every trip is 15 minutes away, 20 minutes away. You're wearing down the goose that produces the golden eggs. I've gone through one vehicle. I've gone through my second vehicle now. Is in the shop, and I really love that electric car, and it's really served me well. However, lots of miles. I looked at how many times that car has been quick charged and charged up. In the course of less than 2 years, I've charged that thing up using a fast charger 700 times, and then I've charged it on a low end charger, L2 charger, another 700 times. 1,400 times that thing's been juiced back up. I go through 2 batteries in any given day. Is it surprising that it's in maintenance? No. But at a cost of $5,000 or even $2,800, divide that out, that's an extra $1,000 a month. Minimum. $1,100 a month that I could have been spending on fuel. Okay, so that's even worse than the gas engine if you got to roll that maintenance into it. That's not counting all the tires that I've gone through. So for a low maintenance car, you're still going to wear it out to a fatal degree. So weighing the options on being a rideshare driver, if you want to go out there and go get a little bit of money, a little part-time cash here and there, that's cool. But if you're thinking about going into it and trying to make some big-time money, it's not sustainable. Do not make this your full-time gig. Have another plan in mind. And with that in mind, that's what I wanted to make this video about today. Weigh the options on whether this is going to work well for you. Make sure you got a low a fuel efficient car to do it in. Buy a used car. Don't buy a new one. Buy a used car. Keep track of all the deductions and all that other stuff. for your mileage, deduct all that stuff, so because they're not taking any taxes out on you, so that's going to be the other negative, is that you're responsible for your own taxes. Who puts tax money aside? You gonna put some tax money aside if you earn 50 bucks, 100 bucks, $2,800 a month? Yeah, you know what? You'd be wise to. If not, you better be keeping your receipts and keeping track of all your expenses, because the more you can prove deductions, the less you're going to pay in the taxes that you're going to get hit with at the end of the year. So weigh your odds, whether you want to do it full time or not. Driver Mojo out.